In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n WhatsApp chatbot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First off, n8n is a powerful tool for automating workflows, and it has some fantastic integrations, including with WhatsApp. So you're probably wondering why you'd want to set up a WhatsApp chatbot in the first place. Well, having a chatbot allows you to interact with your customers seamlessly, answer frequently asked questions, and even handle transactions, all through WhatsApp, which is one of the most popular messaging platforms. It streamlines your communication, saves you time, and enhances customer engagement. The first step in building your WhatsApp chatbot with n8n is setting up your n8n instance. You can do this by either hosting it yourself or using a service like the n8n Cloud. If you choose to host it yourself, make sure you have the necessary requirements such as Node.js, MongoDB, and a compatible Linux server. Installing n8n is as simple as running a few commands, but if you're using n8n Cloud, this will all be taken care of for you. After your n8n instance is ready, the next step is to set up a WhatsApp business account. This is key because the API that allows you to connect WhatsApp to your chatbot is specifically for business accounts. Go to the WhatsApp business website and follow their instructions to set up your account. Once set up, you will also need to get access to the WhatsApp Business API. This will involve verifying your business and getting an API key. If you're unsure about any part of this process, there are plenty of resources available online, or you can reach out to WhatsApp support for guidance. Next, let's dive into n8n and create our workflow. Open your n8n dashboard and click on the plus icon to create a new workflow. The first node you're going to add is the HTTP webhook node. This allows n8n to receive messages from WhatsApp. Give your webhook a name, and n8n will generate a unique URL for you. This URL is crucial because you will need it when configuring the webhook for your WhatsApp Business API. Once you have the webhook set up, the next step is to configure your WhatsApp Business API to send incoming messages to this webhook. Log into your WhatsApp API panel, navigate to the webhook settings, and paste your n8n webhook URL into the appropriate field. Make sure to enable the webhook. Nothing's worse than building a powerful bot only to realize it can't receive messages. Now that your webhook is connected, let's add some functionality to our chatbot. You can add more nodes in n8n to define what happens when a message is received. For example, you could use a function node to process the incoming message. Perhaps you want to respond with a greeting for common queries. You would write some simple JavaScript code in this node to check the content of the messages and respond accordingly. As you add nodes, you'll create a logical flow for your chatbot. The beauty of n8n is its flexibility. You can integrate other services, fetch data from APIs, or even send messages through email. The sky's the limit. Finally, be sure to test your entire workflow. n8n offers a simple way to run your workflow and check if everything is functioning as expected. Make sure your bot is responding accurately and promptly. And that's it. You've just built a WhatsApp chatbot using n8n. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.